Hey everyone, so this is the supplies you need to make your own rosemary mint hair oil. First off, you need coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, penetrating oil, tea tree and black castor oil, cloves, rosemary dried, a strainer, a pot, measuring spoons, funnel, and we're going to start off by boiling the water. I like the double boil method. I turn it down a little bit after boiling, and I start to add my oil. I add about a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then I start adding in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I let that heat up, and then I add in the ingredients. The tablespoon of mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary leaves, and some clove. And I let that just double boil like that. And it simmers for about an hour, hour and a half. So this is when it's cooled down, and I start to add tea tree oil. Now I add the black castor oil. And then I add the penetrating oil. And then I give it a good mix. And now I pour it into the strainer, into the bottle. And that's how it looks, strained and into the bottle. And that's how I went from this to this.